In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, launch settings. Second, scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Now, you need to scroll again, this time to tap on device unlock and select face unlock. Then enter your current screen lock. Tap on I agree at the bottom right corner and select start. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then choose done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!